Let's start with our first script. Okay? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a script. Why? Well, when I shoot those bullets in my scene, we want to remove them slowly. We don't want to have thousands of bullets staying around. So we're going to create a script, a simple script to say, let's after 5 seconds, let's remove that object from the scene. Okay? What we're going to do, we're going to create a script. And we're going to only type it one time, and then the rest of the other scripts I will provide it to you. But I want you to write one time script so that you can use the syntax. I'm going to create a JavaScript. You can also use C#. You can also use both. Don't be afraid to mix the scripting, like to have a script in Java, a script in C#, it works. I'm going to take a JavaScript, click, and it creates it for you. Automatically, it selects it so you can give it a name. I'm going to give the name destroy object. You see here, when it's selected, you can open that script. If we open a more develop, for a little bit more advanced, you can do everything in Visual Studio 2. And for the moment, use just more develop. I'm going to press the open button and it will open that script. Let's give it a second because we're going to open a specific software. Okay. And there it is. Okay. It will open the script. Okay, what do you see here? What I'm going to do, I'm going to explain it first for the programmers, and I explain it also for non-programmers. Programmer script, that means you can only do static typing. Okay. It forces you to do that. It's better for optimization, but also for mobile devices. They require like static typing. Function start. It's only at the first frame of a game it will read this. Function update. This function will be read every frame. For people who never have programs, forget about this. Function start means when the game starts, when that script becomes alive in the scene, when it comes to the scene, read it one time and then it's over. Function update means read it over and over and over and over as fast as possible. So the faster your computer has, the faster the script will run. Okay? I will type in here the function start. I will say destroy a game object. Okay. After 5 seconds. What does that mean? When that script comes in the scene, destroy an object after 5 seconds. I will take that script and apply it, attach it to an object, so it will destroy that object. Good. I take that script and I'm going to drag on my bullet. When I select my bullet, I see the rigid body, but I also see the script of destroy object. So what's going to happen is, I press play, it will read that script. Aha, it's in the scene. This object destroyed after 5 seconds. Display. Un, dos, tres. Can cinco. Cuatro, cinco. And jumping. But in a production view, from a production viewpoint, I don't like this. Why? Because my designer will say, I want it in 3 seconds. The programmer has to change it. The art director comes in. I want 7 seconds. Who has to change it again? The programmer. Then, just before they get an launch the product, at midnight, one of the salespeople comes and says, no. It's incorrect. We agreed on 8 seconds. They call at 2 o'clock at night the programmer, can I change it? change. So it's always going back and forth. You waste a lot of time. The programmer should be functioning, creating the functionality for the designer. What can you do in Unity? Number 5. I'm going to remove it. And I'm going to give it a name. You can type anything I want. I'm going to type in both lifetime. That variable, I will declare it outside my function. So I'm going to say this is a variable. I'm going to first explain it for the programmers. This is a variable. This is actually a floating number that is 5 seconds. For non-programmers, this word. I'm going to say, we're going to read it. Var means actually a variable, but if you never have programmed, say, what is this? What is bullet lifetime? Colon means is. What is bullet lifetime? It is a floating number that is equal to 5. But what is the power of using this? When you declare a variable outside the function, it becomes a slider or a drop-down menu or a boolean operator. Look what we have now. I'm going to select in my bullet and I feel slider. I can define it now per object, per scene at any given time. That's impressive, isn't it? So this makes it very easy to reuse scripts from project to project. Okay, so I'm just going to recap what I did. I went to create a JavaScript. I renamed it. I select it. I press open. And I type in this. Okay? I take the script. And I drag on my bullet. I will see a slider. Then I press play. It will destroy it after the amount of seconds you put in here. Open. So go ahead. And just a few pointers here. This is a lowercase g. This is a capital O. This is a capital D. And make sure to put here a colon. Okay? .com I mean. Okay? Go ahead. And start to make the magic.